Hi, my name is Jennifer Harrison. I'm a proud social worker, an associate professor, and the interim director of the Western Michigan University School of Social Work. I know you have a lot of options to both where you want to attend college and what major or profession to investigate further. I'm going to share with you some of why I think social work is a profession worth considering and why Western Michigan University School of Social Work is a great university to consider for that training. Many people erroneously believe that social work is limited to child protective services or working with recipients of social welfare benefits. While that's an important part of our profession, did you also know that social workers are required professionals in most specialty medical teams, including for the treatment of asthma, pediatric cancer, seizure disorders, and type 1 diabetes? Social workers also provide 65% of mental health services each year in the US, more than psychiatrists, psychologists, and counselors combined. The Veterans Administration employs more than 3,800 MSWs to assist veterans and their families with individual and family counseling, patient education, end-of-life planning, substance abuse treatment, and crisis intervention and other services. The VA is the nation's largest single employer of social workers. 40% of mental health professionals working for the Red Cross Disaster Services Human Resources System are social workers. And there's more than 170 social workers in national, state, and local elected office, including 2 US senators and 4 US representatives. This includes Michigan's longtime Senator Debbie Stabenow, a master social worker herself. Social work is one of the largest and fastest growing careers in the United States, according to the US Department of Labor Bureau of Labor Statistics. There are more than 700,000 social work jobs in 2018. The profession is expected to grow by 11% in 2028. Now that you know a little bit more about the social work profession, let me tell you about why Western Michigan University School of Social Work is pretty amazing, as evidenced by the fact that we are consistently rated in the top 100 schools of social work in the nation, and were recently ranked as the #1 trauma training program for MSWs in the entire country. WMU School of Social Work has a Bachelor of Social Work program that you can apply for after only 30 credits of undergraduate training, usually your first year of college. We also feature an accelerated MSW program that allows you to apply for your MSW after only 60 credits, or usually 2 years of your BSW studies. This, along with our advanced standing program, allows students to complete both a bachelor and a master's degree of social work in 5 years. In 5 years, you could have one of the highest demand terminal degrees in human services and be eligible to be licensed to practice independently for the rest of your career. Field education or internships are a really important part of your BSW program at WMU. We have field placements throughout Southwest Michigan and beyond at schools like Van Buren and Calhoun Intermediate, Plainwell and Jenison schools, and communities and schools, child welfare organizations like the Department of Human Services, Bethany Christian Services, and Samaritas, medical settings like Borgess Family Health Center and Fieldstone, behavioral health settings like Allegan and Ottawa Community Mental Health, Interactive Michigan, Child and Family Services, and Kalamazoo Psychiatric Hospital, as well as jails, probation and juvenile centers, local and state government, even placements internationally in Tanzania, Guatemala, and Ireland. When you complete your BSW from Western Michigan University, everyone knows that you are practice ready to begin work as a social worker in your community. Finally, WMU is just a really great place to go to college. There's opportunities to get and stay involved with your community, interact with professors on research, and attend school locally while learning to think globally about the issues that social work is addressing now and in the years to come. Thanks so much for considering Western Michigan University and the School of Social Work for your college education. It's a great day to be a Bronco.